welcome to the online video for number 95 Sandmere Road. This is a traditional 3-bedroom semi-detached property with no onward chain. Okay, then moving into the property, we have the porch here leading into the lobby where we have the stairs going up to the first floor. And then into the living room. Nice spacious room with a bay window to the front aspect. Then we also have a built-in understairs cupboard which houses the gas and electric meters as well as the gas boiler. And through to the dining kitchen. Space over on this side for a table and chairs, and the main kitchen with an integrated cooker, hob and washing machine. Then we have sliding door through to the conservatory. Which is a nice size and has double doors going out into the garden. So then up onto the first floor, we've got the landing area here with a window to the side. Then we have 3 bedrooms and the bathroom on this floor. First bedroom here, which faces towards the front of the house. You can see the bay window here, and there's also some fitted wardrobes with sliding doors. And here we have the second bedroom. Really quite a nice size and overlooking the rear garden. And then third bedroom. Again, nice proportions across these bedrooms. View to the rear. And then we go across to the bathroom where there is a wash basin, panel bath and toilet. We also have a electric shower above the bath there as well. Okay, and then just outside in the garden, where we have a block paved patio, and then into the main garden. There's an old outbuilding at the far end, and also a timber shed here. Then we can just look back at the house, and that concludes the online viewing. If you'd like to arrange a physical viewing, then please contact the office as soon as you can, and we'll speak to you soon. Thanks very much. Bye for now.